Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by opening Roblox Studio and loading the place you want to modify. Once done, enable Explorer and Properties panels so you can access services quickly. Next, click Lighting in Explorer. This gives you direct control over global scene settings. Make sure you have a backup version of the place before changing lighting. It's fast and safe. Now you're ready for the first actionable change. Reveal the lighting properties and locate the technology or compatibility drop-down to switch rendering behavior. With lighting selected, locate the technology or compatibility property in the Properties panel and change it to the Legacy or Classic option. This restores the older global lighting calculations. Once changed, the editor viewport updates immediately. Review the scene lighting and tweak time of day, ambient, and outdoor ambient to taste. You may also reduce global shadows or tweak brightness for finer control. Keep saving iterations. If you switch back, you can compare which values best emulate the pre-update aesthetic. After adjusting properties, run play mode to confirm the lighting behaves as expected at runtime, not just in the editor. If you notice differences, revisit ambient, outdoor ambient, brightness, and global shadows until the balance matches the classic look. If changes don't appear, restart Roblox Studio to clear cached shader data. This often forces the renderer to recompile and show the update. Finally, keep a backup copy of your working place so you can restore settings if anything goes wrong.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.